Imagine a digital notebook shared among thousands, maybe even millions of computers. That's essentially what a blockchain is. A vast, distributed ledger. It's like a public record book, but instead of paper and ink, it uses cryptography to record information about transactions. This information is stored in blocks. Think of them as pages in our digital notebook. And these blocks are linked together in a chronological chain. Each block contains a unique code, a timestamp, and the data from transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it's virtually impossible to alter or delete, making blockchain incredibly secure. What makes blockchain so groundbreaking is its unique set of features. First up, decentralization. Unlike traditional databases controlled by a central authority like a bank or a government, blockchain is distributed across a network of computers. This means no single entity has absolute control, making it incredibly resilient to censorship or manipulation. Next, we have transparency. Since the blockchain is essentially a public record, anyone on the network can view the transaction history, though personal information is encrypted. This openness fosters trust and accountability. And finally, immutability. Remember those blocks chained together? Once a block is added to the blockchain, it's there to stay. This tamper-proof nature is what makes blockchain so secure and reliable. Let's say you want to send some cryptocurrency to a friend. This transaction request is broadcast to the blockchain network. Computers on the network, known as nodes, verify the transaction using complex algorithms. Once verified, the transaction is grouped with others into a block. This block is then added to the blockchain through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve cryptographic puzzles to secure the network. With each new block added, the chain grows, creating an unbreakable record of every transaction ever made. While blockchain is often associated with cryptocurrencies, its potential extends far beyond digital cash. Imagine a world where supply chains are transparent, allowing you to track your food from farm to table, or secure voting systems that are virtually impossible to rig. Blockchain can revolutionize healthcare by creating tamper-proof medical records, streamline real estate transactions, protect intellectual property, and even transform charity by ensuring donations reach their intended recipients. The possibilities are truly limitless. Blockchain isn't just a cool technology, it's a paradigm shift. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster and more cost-effective. The transparency it offers builds trust and accountability, while its security features protect against fraud and data breaches. Imagine a world where information flows freely and securely, where systems are more efficient and equitable. That's the promise of blockchain. While blockchain holds immense potential, it's still a relatively new technology facing its share of challenges. Scalability is a major hurdle. As networks grow, processing transactions can become slower and more expensive. Energy consumption is another concern, especially for blockchain networks that rely on energy-intensive mining processes. Regulation and widespread adoption are also crucial for blockchain to reach its full potential. Despite the challenges, the future of blockchain is incredibly exciting. As the technology matures and solutions are developed, we can expect to see blockchain integrated into more aspects of our lives. From revolutionizing industries to empowering individuals, blockchain has the potential to create a more secure, transparent, and equitable world. And there you have it. We've journeyed into the heart of blockchain, explored its inner workings, and glimpsed its transformative potential. I hope this video has left you with a deeper understanding of this revolutionary technology. If you found this deep dive helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Darlington Academy for more insightful content. Until next time, keep those brains buzzing and stay curious.